Santa stars are great craft for younger children. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. For this you will need take white tube, fold it into 4 or 5 folds. How long is your tube? It depends on that. Now cut them with scissors this way. Don't forget to watch my previous video, Newspaper Santa Claus. Click the link in the description below. Now take a long tube, apply glue and fix the small piece. Now keep on pasting this way. You can watch my previous newspaper tree, link is in the description below. You can decorate attach the cloth pin. Yeah, it's ready. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you make one, do share with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.